What up, guys? El Patronn, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. How are you? We are the sales and hustle grind with the crew here. We got Jason, my partner in crime from Geras Associate Next Sale, the #1 sale in #1 app in the world right now. And we got, of course, the rest of the crew. Neon has happened to join. Say what's up, Neon. How you like the conference so far?
I think it's unbelievable. I think it's a lot of fun, a lot of learning. You can always keep on learning. The more
Yes.
you learn, the better off we are.
How about that 13-year-old, huh? 11-year-old?
Unbelievable.
Right?
Yeah.
You guys are inspired to watch. Guys, this is crazy. This is why you need to attend this conferences, guys. Don't forget also, we have my conference going on, right? You're going to be speaking there as well about the next sale on December 3rd. So you need to be at these conferences. You learn something every day. Okay, so you guys learn anything so far? Hell yeah.
Absolutely.
They approve it, guys, so that means that I approve it. So let's go. Sign up. All right, see you guys on December 3rd.